In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up a PS5 DualSense controller to play Steam games. The PS5 DualSense controller offers an excellent gaming experience on PC, and Steam includes built-in support that makes the setup process quick and straightforward. Whether you prefer playing with a wired connection or wirelessly over Bluetooth, this guide will walk you through the necessary settings so your controller is recognized and ready to use with your favorite Steam games. To begin, open the Steam application on your computer. If you haven't installed Steam yet, download it from the official Steam website and complete the installation before continuing. Once Steam is open, click the Login button if you aren't already signed in. Enter your account name and password carefully. Then click Sign In to access your account. After logging in, you'll arrive at the Steam homepage. From here, move your attention to the upper left corner of the window and click on Steam. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. Select Settings to open Steam's configuration window, where you can customize various features of the application. Inside the Settings window, locate and click on the Controller section. This is where Steam manages controller support for different devices. Within these settings, look for the option labeled PlayStation Configuration Support. Make sure this option is enabled. Turning on this setting allows Steam to properly recognize your PS5 DualSense controller and automatically configure it for supported games, making gameplay much smoother. Now it's time to connect your controller to your computer. If you prefer a wired connection, simply plug the DualSense controller into an available USB port using a compatible cable. If you'd rather play wirelessly, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your computer. Then place the controller into pairing mode and connect it through your computer's Bluetooth settings. Once the connection is complete, Steam should automatically detect the controller. After Steam recognizes your DualSense controller, you may have the option to calibrate it. Calibration lets you fine-tune settings such as button mapping, stick sensitivity, and other controller preferences. While this step isn't required, it's useful if you'd like to customize the controls for a more comfortable gaming experience. Once everything is configured, you're ready to launch your favorite Steam games using your PS5 DualSense controller. Steam will handle the controller support in the background, allowing you to enjoy responsive controls and a seamless gaming experience. That's all there is to it. With just a few simple settings and a quick connection, your PS5 DualSense controller will be ready to use with Steam. Thanks for watching and enjoy your games.